Shizukuishi Prince Hotel. Welcome. Hi guys! Welcome back to Pink Sampagita YouTube channel. So we are now here at Prince Ski Resort, Iwate prefecture, guys, and this is the first time here, so we are so excited. So join us, guys, to explore this ski resort. So before we ski, let's check this igloo house. Here's the igloo house here in front of the ski resort. What's inside? Made with real snow. It's an igloo house. Let's go! The purpose of this video, guys, is to serve as a reference, especially for those planning to come here. And for those who are watching in the comfort of your home, don't worry because I will be the one to bring you Japan through this video. All you have to do is sit tight, relax, and enjoy. Hi guys! So we are now at the first lifter here at Shizukuishi Prince Ski Resort, guys. So ayan, we didn't ski yet. Wala pa tayong masyadong nakikita. But if you keep watching, I will show you guys the whole journey for our first day here at Prince Ski Resort. Kuya is with me. Hi Kuya! Yeah, we still use our premium ticket here at Princess Ski Resort, guys. So this is at Iwate prefecture. So I'll show you the ticket. January 7. So today is January 7, Saturday, and it's still holiday here in Japan. That's why we're still out for adventure. Yukuri! Shizukuishi Ski Resort is famous for its stunning view of Mount Iwate because it's the highest mountain in the Iwate prefecture. But aside from that, they have also different ski courses level, maintained trails, and outstanding terrain parks that will challenge any skier and snowboarder. So, nung makita namin yung ski resort, na-amaze talaga kami kasi they have a lot of ski courses and na-excite kami na mag-slide. So we drive for 7 hours coming from Tokyo going to this ski resort. But public transportation is also available. You may choose to ride from Tokyo Station to Morioka Station and then ride a taxi. Or another way is from Tokyo Station, get off at Shizukuishi Station, then ride a taxi for 20 minutes until you reach the ski resort. And last option is if you're coming from Iwate Hanamaki Airport to Shizukuishi Station, then ride a taxi until to the ski resort. While skiing here, we notice that the skiers and snowboarders are fewer compared to the ski resorts near Tokyo. So basically, people were spotted in the beginner course area only. So if you are watching this video, you may want to consider coming here to ski to experience fewer people and a smooth ski experience. We also like the groomed trails of the resort because it's so easy to slide. Let's go. Girl first. Then Mama will go first, okay? That's so nice na, even a little bit katay na.
Dapat toy yan. Dito ka na. Okay, okay. Iya, iya, okay. Ya, sa ikaw say, koste.
Hi guys, so this is our vlog and I'm going to end it here guys, although we're going to stay for 3 days here at Princess Ski Resort, and I'm going to see you on the second day tomorrow for another ski adventure and also for the whole experience here at Princess Ski Resort. So stay tuned guys, and I'm going to see you in my next vlog. Stay healthy and blessed. Bye. let's go back to the hotel para mag-check-in, guys. It's already 3 or 2 in the afternoon. Okay, we're here inside na. So until next time, hope you all enjoy watching this video. And if you learned a thing or two, hope you consider subscribing. It also motivates me to make more videos like this. So thank you for watching, guys, from the bottom of my heart, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye! We're getting the locker for the ski. So hi guys, we're inside the Prince Ski Resort Hotel, and this is our room. We have double deck here, double deck, and 2 single room here. And we have a TV, nice frame on the wall, and some hot pot for tea and coffee, mirror, and this is the view from our room. Wow, that's the car park, guys.